Hello friends, welcome to my channel NSN Mobile Care and Technology. Do subscribe my channel, and for the notification of my latest technical videos, press the bell icon as I did. Let's start the video. Today I bring another video. First I'm going to show you the model number of the mobile RM 1110 Microsoft mobile Nokia. Friends, customer says when battery is 100%, it gives 2 hour maximum backup. After that, mobile switch off. The problem is battery drains so fast. Even in standby mode also, battery drain quick. So now I'm going to show you what is the problem behind this. So friends, watch it carefully. I'm going to show you how to check. The first step always is to check the battery connector continuity with the help of multimeter. I use digital multimeter, Baku company, the best I prefer. So friends, to check battery continuity, connector continuity, always in buzzer mode here, as I show you in here. Okay, these are probes. First check your multimeter is okay or not. My multimeter is okay, friends. So first check red probe in positive. See, this is positive and this one is negative. So first check. See friends, 896 value, and change the probe like I change in positive terminal, negative probe, and negative terminal, positive probe. Then how much? It's mostly 341. So friends, it means this mobile has a problem, half shot problem. And how? I'm going to show you. See friends, I write here half shot battery connector continuity like this. If whenever you check the battery connector continuity like this, I show you and change probe, the like same values like this, 230 to 232 something, 350 to 780, and 330 to 890, just below than 1000. From one side it must be, if the battery mobile is okay, like I show you another mobile like this friends, red to plus, minus, negative. See friends, okay, sorry. See friends, the value is above 1000. So change the probe, maybe in between 250 to 600. See, 348. This means this mobile is okay, there is no problem, short problem, no short problem. But in our PCB it shows 341 from one side and from another side below than 1000. See, 893 or 92. It means this problem has half shot problem. So friends, we know the problem. Now how to solve it, I'm going to show you practically. So friends, if you are new, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. So let's start friends. So first of all, whenever your mobile is short, the problem is, first is capacitor. Always check capacitor. Friends, the problem comes just because of the capacitors. I'm going to show you capacitor how it looks. See friends, you see this, these yellow, all these are capacitors. All these are capacitors. I'm going to show you these capacitors. So check this. If the capacitor is broken, then it happens. Capacitor used for filter the charge, and if it damages, then these short problems comes. So friends, first of all I'm going to check the capacitor, whether capacitor. Firstly, I see whenever you check the capacitor, always use both probes. Put one probe on one side and another probe to another side. Mostly friends, whenever the half short problems comes, it's just in network section areas. Check all the capacitor here. Okay friends, if the section is okay, then move towards this power sections. So first I'm going to check the network sections. I saw on big capacitor over here friends. Like this, you have to check one probe one side, another probe. Okay, sorry. See friends, you can see the value 891. Okay, change the probe, 340. The same value we saw here in battery connector. The same value show this capacitor. It means this capacitor is fault. So for that we have to remove this capacitor. Friends, mostly lots of technicians remove this capacitor with the help of like probes. Some technician use hot guns, but I prefer iron friends. So I'm going to remove this capacitor with the help of iron. For that, put little bit lid from side by side so that it helps to remove properly without any problem. Friends, use very carefully because nearby there's a small components. Okay, see friends, I remove the capacitor. I'm going to show you the capacitor. See friends, I remove this capacitor from here. See friends, I remove this capacitor from here. So now friends, I'm going to check whether short problem is solved or not. See friends, from one side 348, change the props. See friends, above them 1000, 1400. So it means friends, the capacitor is fault. Now our problem is solved. Now there is no short. Half short problem is solved. I remove this capacitor, friends. This capacitor is leaked. That's why the problems happens. So I remove this capacitor. Friends, thank you very much for watching my videos. And friends, if you get some help, some information from my videos, then to like, share, and if you want to say something to me and ask something, please do comments. I'm always there to reply you. And if you're new, go and subscribe my channel, friends, and don't forget to click the bell icon, because in future, whenever I upload, today, tomorrow, or in future, new videos related to technology and mobile repairing, you will get the notification first. So friends, stay tuned, stay connected. Good luck. Thank you very much again.